Jameson and Johnson.
I'm Jameson and Johnson, and I'm going to show you how to make ramen in your dorm. You're going to start off putting your ramen in the bowl with the flavor packet. And then you're going to take your soy sauce, measure out 1 tablespoon. Open up your tea kettle, and you're going to place your eggs very gently in the water with the tea kettle. Tea kettle will do 2 things. It's going to boil your eggs to have a nice hard-boiled egg with your ramen. And then once the water's done, you pour it over your ramen to cook your ramen. Let's boil that water. Now that the teapot is done, we're going to take the hot water, pour it over our ramen. We want to just barely cover the ramen. We're going to leave our eggs in there to continue cooking for about 10 more minutes. We're going to cover our ramen to let it steam. Alright, now that the eggs are done cooking, we're going to take them out, put them in another bowl so that we can peel them and put them in our ramen. Take my spoon and lightly crack to help get it started. There we go. Alright, now that our ramen's done, let's give it a try.
Jameson and Johnson.
Yep, it's ramen.